Hello dear students, good morning to all. Welcome back to chemistry session. So we are discussing chapter 2 is matter around us, pure. In previous classes we discussed about some important topics like we discussed based on concentration of solutions. So in this session we are going to continue the topic what is concentration of solution. So today classes we are going to learn in brief concentration of solution. The amount of solute present in volume of solution is known as a concentration of solution. Before we discuss it present in several ways like mass percentage, volume percentage, mass by volume percentage, molality, normality, parts per million. So yesterday already we discussed these previous topics. So today we are going to discuss concentration of solution based on mass percentage. So in this session we will learn very important formula based on mass percentage. What is mass percentage and how to find the mass percentage of the solution or at any solvent or liquid denoted as a capital W. So what is the formula of mass percentage? First of all we discuss the definition of mass percentage. The mass of solute So mass of solute is expressed in grams. The mass of solute present in 100 grams. Present in 100 grams of solution is called mass percentage. The mass of solute present in grams, present in a 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution. Generally, solution present in solute plus solvent. So these are the formula of solution. So in this way, the mass of solute present in a 100 grams of solution is called as mass percentage. So let us W grams. So W is a weight. Grams of solute. Grams of solute be added to W grams of solvent. W grams of solvent. So formula mass percentage equal to W grams of solute. So solute plus W grams of solvent. That means small w plus capital W. What mass percentage? Formula mass percentage. So here mass of solute present in a grams of the solvent. So mass percentage formula of mass percentage equal to mass of solute by mass of solvent. Mass of solute present in mass of solvent into 100. Formula, we are finding the mass percentage general formula of mass percentage is a mass of solute divided by mass of solvent into 100. So these are the method to find the mass percentage. So let us discuss an example of a based on the mass percentage of the solute or solvent. The formula of mass percentage. So what is the mass percent? W percentage of mass of solute. So mass of solute means W by mass of solvent. Solvent contain solute plus solvent into 100. So these are the formula for finding the mass percentage of at any solution. Let us discuss based on example. First problem, 5 grams of sodium carbonate is present in 120 grams of water. So calculate the mass percentage. So we need to find mass percentage. So first of all, they given 5 grams and 120 grams. We need to divide that. So 5 grams is a solute. The mass solute. The solute will be how many grams? 5 grams. And the mass of solvent 120 grams. Solute they given 5 grams and solvent they given 120 grams. So first of all we need to find what is the solution. The mass of solution. The mass of solution means what is the formula? So that means mass of solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. So total, what is 5 plus 5 grams plus 120 grams is equal to 125 grams. So we find it first of all mass of solution. The given mass of solvent is 120 grams and the solute weight is 5 grams. So next one we need to find mass percentage. So what is the mass percentage of the solution? Mass percentage equal to formula weight by mass of solute plus mass of solvent. So solution total, what is the mass of solute? 5 grams. Mass percentage W equal to weight of solute by weight of solution into 100. So what is the weight of solute? The solute they given 5 grams and the weight of solution 125 grams into 100. You can cancel this one. 25 5s 4 1. So 4 grams of mass percentage equal to percentage equal to 4%. So these are the method to find the mass percentage of any solute or solvent. So first of all we need to take what is the percentage of solute and we need to find solvent. Total the mass of solution solute plus solvent. So they given already in that problem 5 grams of sodium carbonate, that is a solute, and 120 grams of water, that is a solvent. Formula of solution solute plus solvent, total 125 grams. Next one, to find the mass percentage of the solution. What is the formula? The mass percentage equal to mass of solute by mass of solute, total solute plus solvent, mass of solution into 100. So 5 grams is solute, 125 grams means mass of solution into 100. When you calculate, finally you will get the answer is 4% of mass percentage. So these are the method to find the mass percentage. So next one we'll discuss volume percentage. Second one, the volume percentage. The volume small v of solute in ml present in a 100 ml of solution is called volume percentage. So at any one volume V of solute present in a 100 ml of solution is called as volume percentage. So let V ml of solute is added to, so small v means solute is added to ml, V capital ml solvent of a solvent. So the volume of solution, what is the formula of solution? Solute plus solvent. So here solute we denoted as small v, solvent capital V. So volume of solution equal to small v plus small capital V. So now we need to find the volume percentage. Volume percentage. So small v percent, that equal to volume of solute. Volume of solute divided by volume of solvent. The volume of solution into 100. Formula of volume percentage is volume of solute by volume of solution. So here volume of solute is small v. Volume of solution, that means small v plus capital V. So here you can mention small v into 100. So it has no units, it depends on temperature. The volume percentage has no units. It depends on temperature. So these are the method to find the percentage of volume. So formula V means volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So let us discuss based on the problems. So next problem based on the volume percentage. So let us read the problem. 15 ml of hexane is mixed with 45 ml of heptane. Calculate the volume percentage of this solution. So first of all, we need to identify volume of solvent or solute. First one, solute. Given the problem, volume of solute 15 ml. So volume of solute, not given that volume of solution is 15 ml, and the volume of solvent. Volume of solvent is 45 ml. So now we need to find volume. So total volume of solution. Volume of solution equal to, what is the formula? Volume of solution. Solution formula is solute plus solvent. Solute plus solvent. So that equal to, solute is 15 ml plus 45 ml. 15 ml and 45 ml. Total 60 ml of volume of solution. So now we need to find volume percentage. So what is the formula of volume percentage? Volume percentage equal to volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. Formula of volume percentage, volume of solute by volume of solution. So that means small v by small v plus capital V into 100. So already know what is the volume of solute. They given the problem 15 ml. 15. So volume of solution, already we find that volume of solution is 60 ml into 100. So can cancel 15 ones, 15, 4 ones, so 25. So volume percentage equal to 25%. So these are the method to find the volume of any solution. So once again we discuss this one. The given 15 ml of hexane is mixed with 45 ml of heptane. Calculate the volume percentage of this solution. So in that given that volume of solute is 15 ml and the volume of solution is solvent is 45 ml. So first one need to find volume of solution, solute plus solvent. So total 60 ml. And next step is volume percentage. So formula volume of solute by volume of solution into 100. So finally we get the answer is 25%. So these are the method to find the volume percentage. So next class we are going to discuss about third one, volume by mass percentage. Thank you.